During this quarter, we are going to be doing book chats. Book chats are a fun and unique way to share the book that you are reading. We will be doing this through participating in live Zoom video chats where we will discuss the books that we are reading. I have included here an image of some covers of some books that you might find interesting if you're having trouble selecting a book for our book chat. For this first assignment for your book chat, all you have to do is choose your book and then respond back to your teacher via a Google form to let us know what you have chosen, and you need to do that by April 9th. So I would like for you to start reading a new book. We will use this book to do 2 live Zoom book chats. One chat will be in the middle and one chat will be at the end of the quarter. You will receive more information about what will be required during these chats as they get closer. Below, you're going to find some simple requirements for the book that you need to choose. If you need help locating a book to read, please let me know as soon as possible. First requirement, it must be a chapter book. It cannot be a picture book, and I am sorry, it cannot be a graphic novel. So you need to choose something that is not a graphic novel. I know there are many of you that will be sad about that. It can be an online or paper version of a book. Doesn't matter to me what you choose. It can be read to you by another person, or you can read it by yourself. Totally up to you and your family. You will need to send back to us the title and author and some other details, which will be due back by April 9th.